I'm a career carpet cleaner. 21 years in the field, and in 2015 I opened Refresh Carpet Cleaning. Go under my own label, offering carpets, upholstery, area rugs, and tile and grout cleaning. Refresh Carpet and Upholstery Care services the entire lower mainland of Greater Vancouver. After 18 years being in the truck, my body was starting to feel it. Cleaning upholstery, I didn't get up off the floor quite as fast as I used to. And I realized after so many years in the field, I was hitting the same ceiling every year after year. And I always aspired to move forward and grow, and that's what led me to meet CIM, Coronation Internet Marketing. After joining forces with CIM in 2000, it was July 1st of 2015, and I remember it because since that date, we're running a portable out of my SUV, and now I've got 5 technicians out there running 7 days a week. I'm in the office, I've got office help. The growth is measurable. The quality of customers, the sheer volume that we do. I was looking for 2 more technicians 4 weeks ago. I found those technicians, and now I am looking for 2 more technicians because I've got more work than I can handle. Hiring CIM to do the marketing has taken it off my plate. I can focus on what's important to me, and that's the policies and procedures, the systems that I need to implement with growth. So sitting up all night doing marketing, working on keywords, designing ads, and figuring out and learning new crafts with internet marketing, that's not my bag. You shit on the floor, that's where I really shine. I can clean that up. Carpet cleaning is what I know. Internet marketing is not part of my forte. So by giving it to CIM and me not having to worry about it, and you guys being so transparent and giving me reports and letting me know what's working and this is the direction that we should go, that helps me keep involved and up to date on what's happening with you guys, but I can see those real results in my business, and so I can focus on Refresh.